Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone is charged but won't turn on. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My phone has been charging for 4 hours, but it still won't turn on. I've tried turning it on, but nothing works, only the icon lights up when I try to turn it on. What should I do? Can anyone help me fix an Android that is charged but won't turn on? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you encounter an Android phone that is charged but won't turn on, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Charger problem. The solution is to check the charger. If the charger or cable is faulty, this might lead you to mistakenly believe your phone is charging, and then when you try to turn it on, you think your charged Android phone won't turn on. In this case, you need to replace the charger or cable and charge your Android phone again. If it still doesn't work, you can try charging another device to ensure whether the charger or cable is faulty. You can also continue charging your phone for more than 6 hours and check if the Android device buttons are stuck. Then check again if the problem of the Android phone charging but not turning on is resolved. Cause 2. Foreign objects in the charging port. The solution is to check the charging port. Your phone is usually kept in a bag or pocket, and over time, foreign objects may accumulate in the phone's charging port, leading to the Android phone being charged but not turning on. This situation also makes you mistakenly believe that the phone is charging, but the foreign objects prevent the Android phone from charging properly, so you encounter the situation where the Android phone won't turn on even when fully charged. To solve this problem, please clean the phone's charging port. Cause 3. Phone crash. The solution is to force restart. The problem of the Android phone not turning on but charging may be due to a phone crash. In this case, whether you are charging or not, the Android device may not turn on. A forced restart can revive a frozen phone, and this method is very simple and effective. Please follow the steps below to force restart your Android phone. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo, or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when you see the brand logo. To force restart a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button when you see the brand logo. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus, or Xiaomi phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when you see the brand logo. To force restart a phone with a removable battery, simply remove the back cover, take out the battery, wait a few moments, then put the battery back in, and press the power button to start the phone. Wait a few seconds. The device will start normally. After the restart is complete, go back to Settings to check if the system is the latest version. If not, download the updated operating system to resolve the issue of the Android phone not turning on after charging. Cause 4. Application issues. The solution is to enter safe mode. Safe mode is one of the best ways to check if any third-party applications are causing the problem. When your phone is in safe mode, it will only run the basic functions of the phone. This prevents malicious applications from interfering with your phone's performance. To enter safe mode, first, make sure your Android phone is turned off. Then, press and hold the power button and the volume up button. When the phone logo appears on the screen or the phone vibrates, release the power button and the volume up button. If done correctly, your Android phone will enter recovery mode. In recovery mode, find and select the safe mode option. Your phone will then restart, and safe mode will appear in the lower left corner of the screen. If you have entered safe mode, you can conclude that the Android phone is experiencing the Android phone is charged but doesn't turn on problem due to application issues. Find the application you think is causing the problem. Press and hold it on the safe mode screen to delete it. Afterward, if you want to exit safe mode and run Android in normal mode, simply restart your phone. If these steps do not put your Android phone into safe mode and do not fix the Android phone not turning on after being charged problem, please leave a comment below and tell us your brand, and we will show you how to do it. Cause 5. Application issues. The solution is to perform a factory reset. A factory reset is the last step you can take. As the name suggests, a factory reset resets your Android phone to its factory settings, returning it to its default state. Therefore, a factory reset can solve most software problems on Android phones. However, a factory reset will delete everything on your phone, including applications, contacts, photos, etc. If necessary, please back up your data beforehand. Let's begin. Similar to wiping the cache partition, first, turn off your Android device. Then, connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Next, enter recovery mode to reset and fix the Android phone doesn't turn on after charging problem. The steps vary depending on the phone brand. Here are the steps for some of them. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option, and then use the power button to select it. Then, select Yes. If you are using a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode, then use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button plus volume up button. Then, use the volume buttons and power button to select the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option. If you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes. After the reset process is complete, your device will restart. It will return to its original state, just like when you first bought it, thus solving the problem of the Android phone not powering on after charging. Cause 6. Hardware problem. The solution is to repair or replace the battery. If your phone has been used for a long time and the battery hasn't been replaced in the past 6 months, the phone battery may have reached the end of its lifespan, causing the Android phone not to switch on even after charging. You can recall whether you have replaced the battery. If the problem occurred shortly after you recently replaced the battery, it is recommended that you go back to the repair center where you replaced the battery and ask them to check for other hardware problems. Finally, please note that the average lifespan of a mobile phone battery is 2 to 3 years. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If this helps you fix the Android phone charged but won't turn on issue, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.